Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are focusing on quadratic functions and specifically understanding the direction of opening for a parabola. We will learn how to look at an equation and instantly know if its graph opens upwards or downwards. Let us start with the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is y equals x squared plus bx plus c. There are three coefficients here. But today we only care about the first one. The letter A. This is called the leading coefficient, and it holds the secret to the shape of our graph. So, what exactly does it do? While it can change how wide or narrow the graph is, its most important job is determining direction. The sign of A, whether it is positive or negative, tells us if the U-shape opens up towards the sky or down towards the ground. Let's look at the first case. When A is greater than 0, meaning it is a positive number, the parabola opens upwards. An easy way to remember this is to think of a positive attitude leading to a smile. The graph looks like a smile. Here is what that looks like on a graph. In this example of y equals 2x squared, A is positive 2. You can see the vertex is at the bottom, which is the minimum point, and the arms of the graph extend upwards forever. It is holding water like a cup. Now for the second case. When A is less than 0, meaning it is a negative number, the parabola opens downwards. You can remember this by thinking of a negative attitude leading to a frown. The graph arches over like a frown. Let's visualize this. In this example of y equals negative 2x squared, A is negative 2. The vertex is now at the very top, representing a maximum point, and the arms of the graph drop downwards towards negative infinity. When we put them side by side, the difference is clear. On the left, the positive coefficient gives us a valley with a minimum value. On the right, the negative coefficient gives us a hill with a maximum value. The shapes are reflections of each other. To help this stick in your memory, use these analogies. A positive parabola is like a bowl, it can hold soup. A negative parabola is like a mountain, everything rolls off the sides. Just check the sign and visualize these objects. Here is a quick summary of what we learned. If it was positive, the graph opens up like a smiley face. If it was negative, the graph opens down like a frowny face. It is that simple. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.